We are the Ulteig Spring Capstone Group for 2025. My name is Chance. I'm joined by Conor, Ethan, and Lyle. So Ulteig is a civil engineering company. They focus a lot on power renewables and various infrastructure. And we're helping their design team who works with various schematic components for CAD modeling.
As an engineering company, which intakes many different technical schematic documents, not all of them are from the same company, so many have different formatting between their documents, even if it is the same information. They needed a way to extract that information and store it, as well as searching through it in a way that is efficient.
As it stands, engineers have a slow searching process and it's difficult to differentiate schematic documents. They need to be able to do quick comparisons and searching in order to save engineering time.
Broad overview of our solution. We have documents processed automatically using Azure Document Intelligence and OpenAI. The extracted data is stored in Azure SQL's database, and the data is viewable from the ASP.NET and Razor Pages front end. Now let's go through the execution flow for the main program functionality. When a user wants to upload a document to be added to the database, first, the user passes in the spec sheet document. The original document is sent to blob storage so it can be retrieved later. Then the document is passed to Document Intelligence and the layout is extracted. The layout is passed to OpenAI, which extracts the actual data fields. Those are mapped into a database object, and then that is uploaded to the Azure SQL database.
From there, we're going to give you a live demonstration of what that looks like. So here's a front end the engineer might be presented with. So firstly, they can see all the existing things that have been submitted. They can see various information about them. If they want to upload a new schematic, they go into File, Upload, and they can choose a PDF of any existing part that they want to upload. Once they press submit, this triggers the workflow that Ethan just showed of firstly being passed into Azure Document Intelligence, returning the raw JSON that is passed to OpenAI for further processing and revision. And finally, that is submitted into a Microsoft Entity Framework Core object that can be directly inserted into the database. Once that process is done, the user is presented with this edit page to ensure all the information is correct. They can look through all the needed information to ensure its validity. There's a blob file name at the bottom here. This is a link to where it is in an Azure Blob storage. With that, they can now download links directly. All these download links will download the PDF exactly as the user needs it if they want further information about the schematic. They're also able to search by type designation, which is the serial number for these parts. Search SG, they'll only be presented with parts that have this SG header. So using this, engineers can find all the parts they need in a more efficient manner. They can also retrieve all the necessary information only by uploading a file.